Gold leaf gilding, the art of applying thin sheets of gold to surfaces, dates back centuries. From the tombs of Egyptian pharaohs to the palaces of European monarchs, gold leaf has been a symbol of luxury and grandeur. Imagine the golden mask of Tutankhamun, its brilliance captivating hearts for millennia. This ancient artifact exemplifies the enduring allure of gold leaf, a testament to its timeless beauty. Gold leaf can transform everyday objects into shimmering masterpieces. The process, refined over centuries, involves meticulously adhering delicate gold sheets to various materials. From wood and metal to glass and plaster, gold leaf can adorn a multitude of surfaces, adding a touch of opulence to each. Before embarking on your gilding journey, gather the essential tools and materials. These include gold leaf, which comes in booklets of delicate sheets. You'll also need a gilding brush, a soft bristled tool for lifting and positioning the gold leaf. A gilder's tip, a small flat brush, helps smooth and burnish the gold leaf for a flawless finish. Sizing, a special adhesive, is available in various forms, each suited to different drying times and surfaces. Don't forget a pair of tweezers for precise handling of the delicate gold leaf. A clean, dry cloth is also essential for removing any dust or debris from your work surface. The success of your gilding project hinges on proper surface preparation. Begin by ensuring your chosen surface, whether wood, metal, or another material, is clean, dry, and free from dust and debris. Sanding smooths any rough spots, ensuring the gold leaf adheres evenly. For porous surfaces like wood, apply a primer to create a smooth and non-porous base for the gold leaf. Allow ample drying time for both primer and paint before proceeding to the next step. Remember, a well-prepared surface is key to achieving a professional-looking gilded finish. Sizing, the adhesive that bonds the gold leaf to the surface, is the next crucial element. Choose a sizing appropriate for your chosen surface and the type of gold leaf being used. Apply a thin, even coat of sizing to the prepared surface using a soft, bristled brush. Different sizings have varying drying times, so refer to the manufacturer's instructions. The sizing will become tacky as it dries, indicating the optimal time for applying the gold leaf. Patience is key during this stage, as rushing the drying process can lead to improper adhesion.